The name of the dish, Shanghai Fat Noodle. It's just like a regular fried chow mein. Then chow mein is a fried noodle. It's the street food. I think it's the very popular street food on Shanghai. The ingredients is one is called Shaoxing wine. We put the Shaoxing wine at the end. To make the flavor strong. That wine is from China, the Shanghai wine. So that's why it's totally different with any kind of chow mein. The taste from my hometown and my memory of my childhood. Yeah. Connect to my family, whole families. Yeah.
包大了。
包得不好看。
啊？然后到了美国以后，就把这个比较喜欢的一个传统带到美国来了。我们美国是个移民国家，有不同的民族，有不同的美食文化。那么中国人比较就是我们虽然移民到美国来，但是我们不愿意，还是要不能忘记我们的传统文化，以及我们的美食文化啊。哎呦我的妈，你没人弄。
That's my hometown flavor. My mom teach me one thing is important to me. You have to very serious take care of the food. The way how you cook, that's the culture. I'm proud I can learn from her, and later I'm gonna teach my son. 还可以，有上海味。
Every single thing about this restaurant is from Shanghai. Our cups, our bowls, our plates, our saucers, our chopsticks, our uniforms. So yeah, we like to use the word authentic, and we're really, really proud to offer this community a really authentic Shanghainese experience. Jimmy Lee is perhaps the best Chinese chef in town.
I like to present good food to the customer, to the peoples. Once they enjoy my food, I'm really happy. Yeah.